Eddie Crow reporting from channel BCA, WNIG, and this is Hurricane Florence going on, and the winds are astronomical, and the trees are going everywhere. Hold on, just got a special report. There's flooding in the area, flood warning, and we had to evacuate earlier because there was a flood, and my clothes came off, and they gave us the life vest. It's just been really, really bad. Torrential downpours, the bands and squalls are coming in, and right now, police is telling me to go to high ground. So right now we have to grab our crew, grab everything, and just run. Just run. It's bad. All right, this is Eddie Crow reporting from WCBA, Channel 8, WNIG. Thank you. Let's get out of here, guys.